bit of people Ryan or I do. Can you hear the guitar without that thing? Close enough for rock and roll, not for jazz or blues or soul, but close enough for rock and roll. You want to twist, you want to shout, you want to shake it all about. Close enough for rock and roll, close enough for rock and roll. You want to dance, you want to sing, really want to shake that thing. Close enough for rock and roll, close enough for rock and roll. It's all fall through. It's all easy. Thank you. All right, give it up for Foreign Affairs Service, who says she got to travel all around the world, and Ryan Brown, the man who runs the Flagstaff open mics and stuff. Come down here and visit us. We were very blessed today to have two excellent writers and two book launches. Well, one wasn't really a launch, but it's a new book. Elizabeth Oakes, who did Leave Here Knowing. All right, Elizabeth. And The Amazing Prisoner with Revenge on Ross. And I'm sure if you bought a book here today, they'd be more than willing to sign it for you. So I'm just saying. This is your chance to get Chris's signature before she's putting them on movie contracts. So. Thank y'all for coming out.
This is Richard Corey here. Look forward to you at RosaDronTV.com. If you want to go to